We were back and we played that one song that
Yeah.
No, we don't always play it.
Yeah, there was one time where
Was it Curtis?
Curtis fucked up. Was it your fuck up, Curtis?
Yeah, I think it.
Only one?
Oh, it's never my fault.
Do you want to take a moment to
Reflect.
on sound, guys?
Oh, yeah.
Remember G that thought that he could add a creative element into the show by playing shitty songs?
Oh, yeah. He got stressed out.
Remember Jesse,
Yeah.
who didn't feel like he had enough input in the show?
Yeah.
Not to be a pirate.
Arr! Remember Curtis,
Who got fired?
Hi, Curtis.
Fuck you guys. I'm going home.
Remember Matt Fruin, who was lost, but then he
pretty
fell in
good.
love?
Yeah.
Yeah, he was good.
Yeah, he was really good.
Yeah.
Better than Kurt. What? Oh.
Fuck you guys. I finally got my mic plugged in.
Turn off his mic.